So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the charts component in MIT App Inventor. So here we go. So you can see this is my app here. In the left side, you'll find the component is called charts and drag and drop chart here. Cool. Once you drop this, just make sure the height is, make it height as it is, but the width is fill parent. Okay. Make sure like this from here, fill parent. Now here we need to add items, right? So before this, I need to just drag and drop the chart to the data under this chart. Cool. Now let's click on the chart and we need to add items. Suppose I want to show that how many users are drinking tea, coffee, and cold drink. Okay. So I need to display that data. Click on chart and on the right side, you will see the option of label from its string. Okay, this one. So just here and just put here tea, coffee, and cold drink. Okay, so we have three values here, right? Now, what we need to do here, click on chart to the data and you can see the option of element from the pairs, right? So in the pairs, we need to define the value from 0. Suppose I need to define T is like 20% of people, or maybe the out of 100, 30% of people drinking tea, okay? So what I can do here, I need to define 0. It means for a T, okay, comma, and then define the 30%. Then comma for 1 and 1 Y, because we are defining the value for coffee. This is for 60%, right? And the cold drink supports 2, okay? And this is like cool. Now, just you can see like this, right? Now, I need to display the bar, okay? So how can I do this? So it's very simple. In the right side, you will see here the option of bar. You can see the line and make sure that is bar like this. Now you can see the T is 30, then 60, and cold drink is 10. Now like this, you can define your any data in your MIT App Inventor app. Now we can see that bar chart here. Now you can redesign this, like you can just change the color of that bar as like from this, you can just change this like this. You can just change the label color also to the pink. What is label? Label is something, just click on chart, you can see the label. This is drinking data something like this. This is how you can change the color in your charts. So this is the really quick and very easy way to define the data. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.